Hello everyone, my people, ndị nkem. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, mgbede ọma. That is good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you will see this video, okay? I hope you are doing good. Welcome back to my Igbo channel, Igbo Lovers TV. So guys, today we are going to learn body parts in Igbo language. Body parts in Igbo language. Mpakala Ahu n'asụsụ Igbo. Mpakala Ahu n'asụsụ Igbo. Okay. Let me break it down for you so that you understand it better. Mpakala is parts. Ahu is body. Mpakala Ahu, body parts. N'asụsụ Igbo. In Igbo language. Body parts in Igbo language. Mpakala Ahu n'asụsụ Igbo. Asụsụ is language, alright? So, ready? Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. So we are going to start with the head. Head is called isi. Isi, head. Isi, head. Isi. Now, the hair on your head is called ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Your brain is called oboro isi. Oboro isi. Oboro isi. Ntutu isi, hair. Oboro isi, brain. Your head is isi. Okay? Now, your ear is nti. Ear. Nti. 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 Ear. Nti. Your back. Back. Azu. Back. Azu. Back. Azu. Your face is ihu. 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 Face. Ihu. Face. Ihu. Now, we are going to look at Mpakala Ihu. That is the parts on the face. Mpakala Ihu. Now, you get your eyes. Your eyes is anya. Anya. Eyes. Anya. Eyes. Anya. 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 Good. Now, your sclera is anya ocha. That is the white part of your eye. Anya ocha. Your sclera. Anya ocha. Yeah. So you know anything ocha is white. White or clean. Anything ocha, white. That is the white part of your eye is anya ocha. So anything white is ocha. For example, aqua ocha. You know, in one of our previous videos, we talk about aqua, which is clothes. Aqua, clothes, right? Now, aqua ocha. So, aqua ocha, white clothes or clean clothes. So, anything ocha is white or clean, depending on the context. All right? So, aqua ocha, or when you want to say, my clothes is clean, or this clothes is clean. Aqua di ocha. Aqua di ocha. Aqua di ocha. This clothes is clean. So anything white is ocha. Now, your iris is anya oji. Anya oji. That is the dark part of your eye. Anya oji. Anya oji. So anything dark is oji, dark or black. Oji. For example, aqua oji, dark clothes or black clothes. Aqua oji. Aqua oji. So the dark part of your eye, which is your iris, is anya oji. Your eyebrow is called nku. Anya. Nku. Anya. Nku. Anya. All right. Now your eyelashes is ntutu. Anya. Ntutu. Anya. Ntutu. Anya. You know, the one on the head is ntutu isi, right? Now this one is the one on the eye. ntutu anya because anya is eyes. So ntutu anya. Good. Your cheek is called nti. Nti. Cheek. Nti. You know, ear is nti. Nti is ear. So your cheek is nti. Nti. Alright? Cheek nti. Now your nose is called imi. 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 Nose. Imi. Nose. Imi. Your mouth is called onu. 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 Mouth. Onu. Now your lips is called ebugbere onu. This one is a bit tricky, right? So you can say it after me so that you will understand it very well. You will say it very well, okay? Ebugbere onu. Ebugbere onu. Remember, mouth is onu. So the lips is ebugbere. Ebugbere onu. Your tongue is ile. Ile. Tongue. Ile. Tongue. Ile. Tongue. Ile. Your teeth is eze. 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 Your jaw is agba. 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 Jaw. Agba. Jaw. Agba. Now your shoulder is ubu. Ubu. Shoulder. Ubu. Shoulder. Ubu. 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 Shoulder. Your neck is olu. 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 Neck. Olu. Neck. Olu. Your throat is akpiri. 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 Throat. Akpiri or akpiri, depending on the way you want to call it. They are both the same thing. Akpiri. 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 Throat. Now your chest. Chest. Obi. Chest. Obi. Obi ndi ocha. My chest is clean. So chest is obi. Now your heart is mkpụrụ obi. Mkpụrụ obi. Mkpụrụ obi. Heart. Mkpụrụ obi. Your breast. Ara. 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 Your hand is aka. Hand. Aka. Hand. Aka. Hand. Aka. Your elbow is iki aka. Iki aka. Iki aka. Iki aka. Iki aka. Elbow. Iki aka. Your palm is obu aka. Obu aka. Obu aka. Obu aka. Your fingers is mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. That is your fingers. Mkpịsị aka. Now your nails, the nails on your fingers, is called mbọ mkpịsị aka. Mbọ mkpịsị aka. That is the nails on your fingers. Alright? Abi Igbo is sweet, right? Igbo is very sweet. Come on, let's pick it. So your nails, the nails on your fingers is mbọ mkpịsị aka. Your thumb is isi mkpịsị aka. Isi mkpịsị aka. Isi mkpịsị aka. That is the head of your fingers is isi mkpịsị aka. Alright? So anything head is isi. Isi, head of the family. Isi Ezinulo, head of the family. Isi Ezinulo. So isi mkpịsị aka, that is the head of your fingers, right? Your fingers is mkpịsị aka. So the thumb, which is the head of your fingers, is isi mkpịsị aka. All right. Now, your belly is afo, belly or stomach. Afo, afo, afo. Your navel is otubo, otubo, otubo. Navel, otubo, otubo. So your intestine is eriri, afo, eriri, afo, eriri, afo. That is your intestine. Your kidney is akuru, akuru, akuru. Kidney, akuru. Your liver is imeju, imeju. Liver, imeju, liver, imeju. Okay, good. Now, your waist is uku, uku, uku. Waist, uku. Now, the bones in your body is called ọkpụkpụ. Hey, Kaja. Ọkpụkpụ is a bit tricky. It sounds funny, right? Ọkpụkpụ, ọkpụkpụ. That is the bones in your body. Ọkpụkpụ. Say it with me. Ọkpụkpụ, ọkpụkpụ. All right, that is the bones. So the hairs on your body is called aji, aji. Not like the ones on your head or your eye. So this one is aji. The hairs on your body is aji, aji. Okay. So now your leg is oku, oku, oku. Legs, oku. Your buttocks is ike, ike. All right. Your nail is ikpere, 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 ikpere. Nails, ikpere. Now your lap is apata, 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 or apata oku. Since leg is oku, see the difference. Uku is waist, uku, waist. Leg, oku, right? Uku, oku. Your lap is apata, oku, apata, oku. The toes on your leg is mpese, oku, mpese, oku, mpese, oku. Now, the nails on your toes is mbo, mpese, oku, mbo, mpese, oku, mbo, mpese, oku. All right, mbo, mpese, oku, mbo, mpese, oku. Good. Now, your ankle is what? Nkwonkwo, oku. That's the bone down your leg. Yeah. Nkwonkwo, oku. That is your ankle. Nkwonkwo, oku. Say it with me so you can be able to say it well. Nkwonkwo, oku. Nkwonkwo, oku. Nkwonkwo, oku. That is your ankle. All right. So guys, that is it for today. That is it for today's lesson on Mpakala Ahu n'asụsụ Igbo. Parts of the body or body parts in Igbo language. I hope you do enjoy this video, right? Give it a thumbs up by liking this video, share it as well, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment in the comment section. Of course, tell me the parts you find so difficult pronouncing. Yeah, let's interact, okay? Tell me the parts you find so difficult, and of course the things you would want me to teach you as well. Type it in the comment section, and also criticize constructively. I need constructive criticisms. All right, of course we are here to learn. I learn, you learn. So let's interact using the comment section. Don't forget to also subscribe to my first channel, Onyi. The link will be in the description box. And of course, Onyi hụrụ gị n'anya. Onyi loves you. Cordial Bachioza. Till next time.